Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a glider plane with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, and a sharp craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget strong glue, sandpaper for smooth edges, and a pencil for marking. Always use a cutting mat and safety gloves to ensure a safe and accurate building process. These basic tools are essential for a successful project. Now, let's start cutting and shaping your glider's components. Begin by carefully cutting the main wing from your cardboard, aiming for a wingspan of about 12 inches. Next, craft the fuselage, which should be around 10 inches long and 1½ inches wide. Finally, design and cut out the tail fin and horizontal stabilizer. These are crucial for stable flight and steering. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. First, securely attach the main wing to the top of the fuselage using your strong glue, ensuring it's centered. Next, carefully glue the tail fin and horizontal stabilizer to the rear of the fuselage, making sure they are straight. For added strength and durability, reinforce all the joints with an extra layer of glue. Allow ample drying time before proceeding. The final steps involve balancing and testing your cardboard glider. For optimal flight, you might need to add small weights, like a few coins, to the nose of the glider until it balances correctly. Once balanced, take your glider to an open area with minimal wind for its first flight. Gently launch it forward and observe its flight path. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Adjust the balance as needed for a smooth, long glide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.